going on, everyone? Got a 2023-24 Honda CRV. Today I'm going to show you how to pull out your cabin filter. It's going to be located behind your glove box. You need to open your glove box up. You need to disconnect the damper first, okay? And to do that, all we got to do is push down on it, okay? And it'll disconnect like that. Now you have these stoppers right here. You need to get the glove box past. To do that, you push the glove box in, pull it in, or push it in on both sides. Okay. Might have to go back and forth a little bit, especially if you're doing it with one hand. But let's see here. All right, and then you can pull the whole thing down. All right. All right, it's going to come down about that far, and then we can pull the whole door off these hinges here. Okay. Just like that. All right. It's made to do this. All right. Right here is where the cabin filter is located in this box here. Notice it says up, okay? I'm gonna push this in this way, pull towards us. Same thing on this side here. Push, pull towards us. And here's our filter here. Well, this car's pretty new, so we're not changing it. We're just gonna take a look at it. It does look like it has some leaves. So we're just gonna knock these out probably. Yeah, it's pretty clean, just some leaves. But if we notice, the air filter, most of them have an airflow message on it right here. This one says down, straight from Honda. And yeah, the airflow in this car is down, all right? This car only has like 3,000 miles, so this is the original filter. Again, I'm just gonna clean this one out real quick. All right, just kind of shook that one out a little bit. Get your new one, slide it in there like that. I'm gonna have a link down in the description box for a new one if you need one. But you just get the cover, slide it on here, okay? Now this right here where it says up with this arrow, that's not talking about the airflow, that's talking about this door, okay? Just to let you know. Now we get the glove box, stick it back on the hinges, line it up, both sides. Give it a little bit of a push. Okay. Pull the damper down a little bit so we get to it here in a second. Put it in position. Close the glove box a little bit. And just take the damper, snap it back on. You're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.